Though we may doubt God's power to change things or to transform situations, perhaps we should at times reflect on the complete transformation that occurs in the life of the butterfly. It undergoes one of the most amazing transformations in all nature, when it goes from caterpillar to butterfly via the chrysalis. And yet, so often we tend to take this change for granted, without stopping to think about just how wonderful it is. But let this relatively commonplace transformation encourage us to realize that God can totally change us too, character-wise, to adapt to new situations that He allows us to find ourselves in. If we happen to find ourselves in a situation rather like the chrysalis stage of the life of the butterfly, where apparently nothing seems to be happening, as seen by the world at large, let us be encouraged to recognize that perhaps God is enabling us to undergo a complete transformation within ourselves, so that we too can emerge as a new creature, ready to do His will and His work.